My name is Sophia. I am 27 years old and I am a digital entrepreneur. Many people think that working online is just relaxing in front of the computer, but the reality is a bit different. Let me tell you a little about what my routine is like. Every day starts early for me. I usually wake up around 7 in the morning, take a quick shower, and prepare a healthy breakfast. I believe that starting the day with energy is essential for good performance at work. After breakfast, I go to my home office. I have a special corner with a desk, a comfortable chair, and all the necessary tools for my work. Before I start, I usually do a brief meditation to clear my mind and focus on the day's tasks. My first activity is always to check my emails and social networks. I respond to customers, see if there is any important message, and check the statistics of my projects. As a digital entrepreneur, it is crucial to always be connected and ready to act quickly. After that, I dive headfirst into my projects. I mainly work with digital marketing and content creation. I write articles for blogs, create posts for social networks, and develop strategies to increase the visibility of my clients' brands. It is a job that requires a lot of creativity and dedication, but it is also very rewarding to see the results of my effort. Throughout the day, I take small breaks to rest my mind. I get up, stretch my legs, have a healthy snack, and sometimes even go out for a quick walk around the block. I believe these breaks are essential to maintain productivity and avoid fatigue. Around 1 p.m., I take a longer break for lunch. I prepare a nutritious meal and take some time to relax. Sometimes I watch an episode of a series or read a book. It is important to have this time to recharge and get back to work with everything. In the afternoon, I continue working on my projects. I usually have meetings with clients or partners, either by video conference or in person, depending on the situation. I also set aside time to study and stay updated on the latest market trends. The digital world is always in constant evolution, and it is important to always be learning and adapting. As the end of the day approaches, I start to finalize my pending tasks and plan for the next day. I organize my schedule, set goals and priorities so that I can start the next day with focus and determination. Around 7 p.m., I officially end my workday. I turn off the computer, close the office, and allow myself to relax. Sometimes I go out to dinner with friends or family. Other times I prefer to stay at home, watch a movie, or simply rest. It is important to find this balance between work and leisure to keep mental and emotional health in check. Before going to sleep, I do a brief reflection on my day. I'm grateful for the achievements and learnings, and I think about how I can improve the next day. I do some stretches to relax the body, read a little, and then surrender to sleep. And so ends another day in the life of a digital entrepreneur. A routine full of challenges, but also full of opportunities and achievements. I am very happy with the path I chose, and I hope to continue growing and achieving my goals in the digital world.
We hope you enjoyed the story. Now it's time to put what you've heard to the test. Our quiz will challenge you to remember and understand the details of the narrative. Come on, take part in the quiz and test your knowledge. Congratulations to everyone who got the quiz right. Now, let's delve into the key terms that came up in the story. In our vocabulary board, we'll explore meanings, pronunciations, and how to apply these words in everyday sentences. This is the perfect time to expand your vocabulary. Listen and read carefully.
Entrepreneur, person who initiates and manages a business, assuming financial risks in pursuit of profit. Sentence: as an entrepreneur, I am constantly seeking new growth opportunities for my company. Routine: regular sequence of activities performed habitually. Sentence: my daily routine includes morning exercises and reading before starting work. Strategies: plans or methods developed to achieve a specific goal. Sentence: the success of this marketing campaign is due to the innovative strategies implemented by the team. Breaks: brief intervals for rest or relaxation during work. Sentence: I take regular breaks throughout the day to avoid mental fatigue and maintain productivity. Recharge: restore energy or vitality through rest or relaxing activities. Sentence: spending time outdoors helps recharge my energy and boost my creativity. Video conference: meeting or conversation conducted via real-time video between two or more people in different locations. Sentence: video conferences have become essential for maintaining communication with our remote team. Determination: firmness of purpose, willingness to persist in achieving a goal despite challenges. Sentence: with determination, I managed to overcome all obstacles and achieve the success I aimed for. Balance: state of harmony or stability between different aspects of life, such as work and leisure. Sentence: finding a healthy balance between work and personal life is essential for overall well-being. Reflection: activity of thinking about past events, evaluating their consequences and lessons learned. Sentence: daily reflection helps me grow personally and professionally by identifying areas for improvement. Achievements: accomplishments or successes achieved through effort and dedication. Sentence: we celebrate the team's achievements in the project, which resulted in a significant increase in sales.
Now, we challenge you to test your knowledge. Our word quiz will assess your understanding of the meanings and application of the new words we've explored. Don't forget to have fun while learning. We hope you enjoyed the story, aced the quiz, and enriched your vocabulary. If this video added any value to you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. We look forward to continuing this learning journey together. Hope to see you soon.